guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Dems2000 and today I'm gonna show you how to make brown stew chicken, but with a twist, the vegan way. Ital is vital. So I got some oyster mushrooms here. They're similar to chicken, got a nice texture to it. I got the fresh seasoning, as you can see in the next camera. Fresh seasonings, we've got some bell peppers or sweet peppers, we've got a Scotch Bonnet, a whole one, we got chopped onions, we got a bit of chopped Scotch Bonnet, some chopped garlics, chopped scallion or spring onion, a couple sprigs of thyme, and a carrot, one whole carrot. We also got mixed herbs, all-purpose seasoning, everyday seasoning, some sea salt, black pepper, browning, halves, some Heinz ketchup, and some brown sugar. So let's get into it. See, mushrooms washed and taken care of, and now we're gonna take care of it properly by giving it some good rub. So if this one's open, I add some all-purpose, probably about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of all-purpose. These are the stuff that I'm using. Use that already. A bit every day. Some mixed herbs. I'm gonna put this in here because I don't want loads coming out. Just gonna sprinkle, just sprinkle about a tablespoon. Some black pepper, little black pepper. You want to put some sea salt. Don't want too much. Then you want to go in with your browning. Just not too much because you don't want it black. You just want to put a little dose. Zimmy. So you're basically gonna rub it in, as you can see. Rub it in. You know what I mean? Yep. Make sure it smells the way you want it to smell. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. So you want to put it on medium to low heat, not too high. I'm gonna put some oil into the pot like so. We're gonna put it on medium. So for me, I'll put it at 6, a high 6. I don't need too much oil. And the oil is evenly distributed, you know what I mean? Right, so once your pan hot, you're gonna add this mushroom to the pot. So, same way how you do it with the brown stew chicken, just add it and let it just brown, you know? Brown the mushroom. We can leave this back for the juice. So I'm just gonna turn it up, so medium high. Just gonna turn it up a bit more, just so we can get it for brown. Food for brown. We are work, and the chicken we are jerk. So yeah, let that brown for a couple of minutes. Brown on each side for a couple of minutes. Like how it's springing up with water, you just wanna get a spoon and basically drain the water off because you're browning it, you're not really stewing it yet. So you're browning it basically like frying. So you just want to empty it into a container or bowl, and you're going to use back this water for flavor. Then we're just going to place it on a bowl like so. These mushrooms cook quick. And remember, it's mushroom, it ain't chicken. So we've got to treat it like it's not chicken. Put this to one side. We're gonna add all our fresh seasoning in the pan and we're gonna saute it, except for the carrots for now. And the Scotch Bonnet. Still may not give up. I know I'm gonna be up. So you're just basically gonna saute the mushrooms. I'm gonna saute the fresh seasoning. Right, so basically, that's basically what it looks like. So after it's sauteed, I've sauteed this for about 5 minutes, and your sweet pepper / bell peppers should somewhat be soft. So now I'm gonna add the carrot and the Scotch Bonnet. The reason why I did this is because I just want to seal in the flavor of the fresh seasoning, and the carrot and the Scotch Bonnet now is for the stewing part. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add more hot water to this because we need a bit more gravy. So I had it on medium high, you just want it on medium low now. So about 5.5, 6. And there you have it. So we use the same water, the same juice from when we were seasoning the mushroom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stew down the vegetable or the vegetables. Just gonna stew it down. Might add some more water to this. Hey, get loose away, get loose, hey, get loose away, get loose away, loosen your waist. Hey, carnival ain't ready for me, boy. Alright, so we're gonna cover it up and let it get thickened. Tickiana. Yeah, let it get thick. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that simmer down, and then we're gonna add these bad boys. Ketchup and sugar. Sugar and spice make everything nice. Right, so I'm gonna check the pot and see what it needs more of. I'm just gonna take a spoon, take it to your palm. To do with some more seasoning, I'll just put all purpose and some sea salt. So about another tablespoon. That's why I said tablespoon at the start, because you can always adjust it to your liking afterwards. I'm gonna test it now. I don't know where I was going. Now it's starting to taste proper. So all it needed was a bit more seasoning. It was tasted a bit fresh. It's got the little kick to it. Yeah, let that simmer down for a couple of minutes, and once the flavor starts, getting incorporated and it starts to form a gravy, then we start adding the ketchup in and the sugar in. Yeah, pretty much everything's simmered down. The peppers are soft. The flavor is flavoring. You know what I mean? The flavor is flavoring. I need to get used to looking into that camera. But we'll get there. Guys. So I'm just gonna do a gravy test. say the thing shot. Alright, so I'm gonna add some brown sugar. It just enhances the flavor really. About a spoonful, a teaspoon. Or what you see me doing here. Just gonna sprinkle that in. Gonna sprinkle some more. Not too much because obviously we don't want to overpower the flavor, we don't want to do that. Yeah, zimmy. And then we're just gonna have a couple squirts of ketchup or one spoonful. Just gonna put it on pretty much either side. And now that we got our gravy and it's somewhat thick, hopefully this ain't bust. We don't want that to burst. I just want it for the flavor to look how it's supposed to look. This is basically how you want it. You know what I mean? This is how you want it. You just want a nice thick gravy. You don't want it watered down. And you can do a test. So now it's time to add the oyster mushroom. Just gonna add them like so. And there you have it. You can just cook this down for another 5 minutes, I would say. Yeah, this is what you want. Let's simmer down on number 5. Right, so we're just gonna let that simmer down for another 5 minutes and it should be done. Well, here you have it. It's complete. There's your brown stew chicken. Voila. Right guys, there you have it. Your brown stew mushroom or vegan brown stew chicken. Yeah, it just wants to focus on my face. But yeah, I will plate it up and show you how it looks when it's plated up. Here you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this video, and tell me how it tastes in the comments. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Stay blessed.